Hi, this is Ming from Group 1 or Group A. So I'm gonna do a Playable prototype this time for you. Our world, as you know, our game is kind of like RPG and battle game. So this is our map. I found this from online. So this is online sources not created by myself. But we're gonna have multiple teams. We are designing like a group of 5 as a team, and there will be 10 teams around the game. The game will be around 30 minutes to 45 minutes. We're still not deciding that yet. But what you're gonna do is on this map, when the game begins, you can select which areas would you like to respawn. If we want to, let's say, if we want to respawn in the desert area, or yeah, so we're gonna choose here. There will be portal on different places on the map, so we will choose a portal to respawn. Enemy teams, which is going to be red points, can respawn somewhere else. When after we respawn on the map, and we should go to find some monsters, such like these. You can see there are monsters, mini bosses on the map. We will first want to defeat them, and then get experience to level up our skills, and also get stronger gear. As game goes by, there will be circle that will be appear on the map. So for example, this circle are gonna be like a kind of random. So for example, after 2 minutes, the first circle will spawn right here. So which means we have to go into this area to keep us safe. However, like enemy team also doing their activities in the forest, they also want to get into the circle. So we might end up at the same place, let's say just here. So we're gonna have an encounter right here. Then as we are going into the map, let's say as time goes by, this map will be smaller and smaller. At the last 10 minutes, the final boss will respawn here in the kind of center in the circle or center in the map. The goal of this game is either to defeat this boss or defeat all other teams to be the last team alive. When we are moving into the circle, there are a couple ways of move. So basically you can run, absolutely you can run, you can jump. You can also, ride a horse if there are some gonna be wild horses respawn on the map, some locations. You can ride a horse. Each horse can ride 2 peoples. You can also ride a wind drake. This is a online sources from Monster Hunter World, so such. That's all I'm gonna talk about the gameplay today. Thank you. I'm gonna talk about our game design for like gear, inventory, and sorry, monster drops. Our world will be like this, where you have different environments and different monsters as this character, and my teammates, which is here, gonna fight together to defeat a monster. After I somehow with my teammates defeat this monster, okay? So after this monster has been defeated, he will drop a box like this. So we can go pick up this box. So me, my character, and my teammates will go pick this box, and after open this box, we will see this on the screen. So this will be whatever is inside the box. You see, you have some coins. I'm still thinking if we will have add coins or not. Some gears, just like this. So you and your teammates can pick up those gears that maybe works best for you. So let's just say both of these items works for me. I will pick it up. This will show in my inventory. So let's just say this hats and this coat will show up in my inventory. You can see that you can have a maximum of 6 gears in your inventory. So those can be weapons, defense items, shields, active use items, like HP restore, MP restore, or anything. After pick up the gear, it will make the character stronger. And sometimes it gives special abilities to the hero that makes them have a relative advantage when facing other monsters or enemies. Alright, that will be my playable presentation. Thank you.
I'll show you the combat system for our game. So you can see here, this is the character I'm playing as. You can move around, you can jump, you can also crouch and sprint in our game. We can aim our weapon, we can also aim down sights. We can attack the opposing character here and deal damage to them in order to kill them. We can switch our weapons. If you look down here in our inventory, the weapon that is always highlighted in yellow is what we have equipped. And there's also what we call a fast item, which will always be in the top left part of your inventory here. So right here you can see it's our pistol. So now you can see that we have the grenade equipped, which we can throw at the other team by using the same button that we'd use to fire with. That can deal damage to them. Another way that we can also deal damage is to use our abilities, which you can see down here. Y is our ultimate ability. Then we have LB and RB, which are just normal abilities. Each hero will also have their own unique passive ability. So let's say we want to use our LB ability. For this hero, it's called Supernova, and it causes an explosion to go off that will damage the enemy over time. So we press LB, and this explosion happens if we are aiming at them and we hit them. They'll take burn damage over time. Another ability we have is called Put a Ring on It. This will increase our shields, which you can see here with these yellow bars. If our shield is full, like you can see here, it will give us an extra shield for 4 total. We also can use our ultimate ability once that charges up to 100%. This hero's is called Black Hole, which it will, once casted, hold nearby enemies in place, so we can fire at them and deal more damage a lot easier. But what if we take damage? Let's say that they fire their rifle at us, and we get hit. Before actually the health bar goes down, your shield will go down. So let's say they totally deplete our shield here by firing at us. Now these will be grayed out instead of being yellow. So what we can do to heal our shield is to use this here. This is a shield replenishing syringe, so we use that. It'll take a few seconds and we'll be vulnerable. We won't be able to fire at the other team while we're healing up. But once we're healed up, the blue syringe will heal 1 piece of shield here. So we'll have that back. But if they do damage us all the way, and we have no shield, and then we will start to lose health here. What we can then do is to heal using these band-aids here. And the band-aids will heal a certain amount of health. We haven't decided how much, but it'll probably be the least amount. A medkit would probably heal all your health. These would just do little chunks. So that would bring us back to full health here. If they fire at us until we have no health left and no shield left, then we will get downed. And if there is no one left to revive us on our team, we will get a notification that says game over, and it'll show your stats and like how many kills you got, how much damage you did, and how much experience points you earned in that match.
So our lobby is going to be really similar to the way that Fortnite's lobby works, aside from the fact that instead of getting a predetermined character, you're going to have the ability to choose a character class. So here we have a biotic, and it shows their abilities, and if you can see it says press Y for more information. So if you press Y on an Xbox controller, then a little blip will come up and explain to you what each of the abilities do and how to use them, and you can equip 2 of them. So then if you press B, you'll go back to the lobby screen, and then you can press your right arrow to see a different character class. So then you would have a different character class. And then if you're not satisfied with that, you can press the right arrow again, and you'll get a new character class. Once you're satisfied and have equipped 2 of the 3 abilities that you want, you can invite your friends, similar to how Fortnite works with the friends mode in Xbox, and then press A when you're ready, and it will see if your other friends are ready, and then you'll get put into your round with your 5 friends.
The remaining issues, our steps to fix those, and what we'll do next. So some of the issues we have so far, we haven't really talked about how much health each character will have. We have decided that the tanks will have more health rather than like a support, but the supports will be able to heal faster. We still have to talk about abilities that gear and items will grant to players. We still need to decide like how much damage all the weapons will do. And we also want to make sure that we get a general balance for the game, even though we're not going to code anything. We still want to, just on paper, do the math, figure out what will be balanced, what won't be. So our next steps, obviously, is just designing content. To resolve most of the issues that we have, we'll just need to meet more, talk about it, figure out what we want to do. But we need to design more characters, more AI-controlled enemies, more weapons. We might want to do other game modes like deathmatch, PvE, and PvP, just to make the game a little more fresh so you're not just playing the same mode over and over again. We also need to design the map more with the different 8 areas that we have, and design the user interface, like exactly how will the lobby look, how will the store look, when you pause the game, what does that look like, stuff like that. Thanks, guys.